Open any tablet ad right now and you will see the same dream every time. A beautiful screen, thin body, floating stylus, a keyboard that snap on like a magic, someone typing note in class, someone editing photos in a coffee shop. And then comes the big promise. This can replace your laptop. And honestly, for the first time, that promise does not sound crazy. Tablets are faster now. The screen is beautiful, the apps are better, with a very good keyboard, and some tablets are more powerful than older laptops. So on paper, the answer looks simple. Yes, a tablet can replace your laptop. But real life does not happen on a paper. Real life has messy files, too many browser tabs, video calls, weird websites, and apps that always do not behave properly. So the real question is not, can a tablet do work? Of course it can, but the real question is, can a tablet replace your laptop without making your life more annoying? Because a tablet company, when it comes to sell you a tablet, it's not gonna sell you the device. It will sell you a better version of your life. A lighter bag, a cleaner desk, a device that feels more modern. Sometimes that can be a notebook, sketchbook, a movie screen, a computer, depending on the moment. And that's why tablets are so tempting. A laptop feels like work, but a tablet feels like freedom. And for some people, the freedom is real. If your day is mostly note, videos, PDFs, emails, browsing, and light creative work, a tablet can genuinely feel better than a laptop. But here is the trap. Doing a work on a tablet is not the same as replacing a laptop with one. The difference sounds small, but it changes everything. Before the keyboard, the tablet is simple. You hold it, touch it, write on it, and use it like a tablet. But the moment you attach the keyboard, the fantasy changes. Now you stop juggling it like a tablet. Now you compare it to a laptop. And that's where the cracks start to show. A laptop built around work. A tablet become a work machine later. And that difference is major. A laptop keyboard, trackpad, hinge, port, software, and file system are all made for serious work. A tablet keyboard is usually an accessory, sometimes a very expensive one. And even if it's good, it can still feel less stable, less comfortable, and more awkward than the real laptop. And this is where the question changes. If your tablet needs to become more like a laptop, why not just buy a laptop? The real test is not power, it is friction. A laptop handles messy work better. Too many tabs, files, downloads, video calls, external drive, random websites. It is not beautiful, but it is work. Tablets have improved a lot, but multitasking can still feel like something that the device allows you to do, not something it truly wants you to do. And when you are working, that's matter. Because work is not just about what the device can technically do it's about how annoying it feels while doing it. Can you move file quickly? Can you use a full version of website you need? Can you connect accessories without workarounds? Can you jump between tabs without fighting the interface? On a laptop, this feels normal. On a tablet, it can still feel like a feature. And when you are working, normal is better than impressive. Now, we have to talk about the part that companies love to hide, the real price. The tablet may look cheaper at first, but then you add the keyboard, the stylus, extra storage. Suddenly, your simple tablet setup costs laptop money. And that changes everything. Because if I'm paying a laptop money, I expect a laptop confident. Not mostly work, not with few workarounds, not it depends on the app. I expect confident. That's the real hidden cost of a tablet dream. The tablet is not always expensive because of the tablet. It becomes expensive because of a laptop replacement fantasy built around it. So can a tablet replace your laptop? Yet? For some people, yes. For everyone else, not really. If your work is simple, mobile, or app-based, a tablet can absolutely be enough. People who mostly live on a browser can make it. But if your work is heavy, messy, file-heavy, multi-windows, or depend on a full desktop software, a laptop still makes more sense. Not because it is cooler, it is not. The tablet is cooler. A laptop is just more reliable. A tablet feels better when everything goes right. A laptop handles things better when everything gets annoying. So before you buy a tablet to replace your laptop, ask yourself one question. When work gets annoying, which device would I trust more? If the answer is a tablet, go for it. But if the answer is still the laptop, then the tablet may not gonna be your replacement. It might just be your luxury second screen. And that's okay, because the tablet did not fail. The marketing just promised too much. That's it all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.